Are you wasting hours each week on manual timesheets, payroll and rostering? Wageloch is an all-in-one biometric workforce management platform to make managing your team a breeze. Our employee rostering and timesheet portal is tailored to your award rules and pay rates, and integrated with your payroll provider like Reckon, MyOb and Xero. See all your shift and roster costs in a snap across multiple work sites, and make it easy for staff to clock on and off accurately with our flexible range of fingerprint, iris and face scanners, and mobile clocking with GPS location. Save time and money on manual data entry. Enjoy error-free electronic timesheets with instant visibility of labour costs. With Wageloch, you can be confident the right people are in the right place at the right time and paid the right way, from anywhere, anytime, on any device. To get started, just contact our local support team, and your implementation specialist will walk you step by step through setup, training, your first payroll, and beyond. Book your free demonstration today.